Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Mustang antenna. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a 10mm socket or wrench and a panel removal tool. A small flathead screwdriver can also be helpful for delicate prying. Having these items ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. Let's get started with the initial steps to access the antenna components. Next, move inside your Mustang to access the antenna's base. Start by unhooking the clips of the rear driver's side window trim panel. You don't need to remove it completely, just enough to create some slack. Then, gently pull down the headliner. It's typically held by both clips and magnets, so a firm but careful pull should release it, giving you access to the roof area above. Now, with the headliner pulled back, you can detach the antenna. Locate the antenna wire and unclip it from its harness. Then, use your 10mm wrench or socket to unscrew the bolt at the base of the antenna. This bolt secures the antenna to the roof. Once the bolt is removed, you can carefully push the entire antenna housing and its wire through the opening in the roof, freeing it from the car. Finally, head to the outside of your Mustang and pull the antenna completely free from the top of the car. If you're installing a new antenna or a delete panel, now is a good time to clean the mounting area thoroughly. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps. And for those who love to read, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.